Alright, out for a creek walk and looking for old bottles. Already kind of found that. And have looked here before, wintertime, the water was too cold. Put out a couple of hobble skirt Coke bottles I've seen. So you can walk through, see what there is. And here's a few things. Don't look particularly old. What is this? Keep looking. I've already seen a number of these. Crayfish around here. Cream jar. Alright, promising sign. Just found this cork top bottle. Unfortunately, it's not embossed. It's like a nice bottle though. Just found a hobble skirt. Marlinton, West Virginia. Unfortunately, I can't read what year. Oh well. A lot of cream jars in here I'm finding. So, in addition to like cream bottles, finding some other, that screw top 40s probably a whole bottle, and you have a bunch of these. Federal law prohibits resale bottles and things like that. And proof there are some things to be found out here. This would have been an embossed sort of bottle or something. Maybe even a hutch, I don't know. Marlinton something works. So there's hope. Horseshoe. Another ball canning lid. One of a million there in here. I haven't found any mason jars. Well, intact at least. Probably one here is broken. What do you think? It says something. Premium. Just see that it says premium on there. So, mustard or mayonnaise. looking. Pepsi bottle, maybe 60s. It had the painting or label on there as well. This is a Federal Law for Bids bottle, so probably 40s or something. But pretty cool. Old Mr. Boston. Interesting top. Ah! I don't want to just splash myself with this water. That might actually be a keeper though. Let's see. Yeah, here. Coke bottle. More parts of the Coke bottle. 70s beer. Oh, that little salad dressing one or something. Like some other things here. Keep looking. There are a ton of butterflies over here. Dragonflies. They're dragonflies, not butterflies. Alright, so finding a bunch of these, 40s, 50s, so liquor bottles, a lot of them. This looks interesting. Oh, he's being bossed. Oh, man, cork top in a pharmacy bottle. I would have a label on there. Not embossed. Keeper nonetheless. So just put that up by mistake. No idea what this is. Never seen a bottle like this. Oh, goes upside down. It's a medicine bottle or some kind, I guess. Upside down and it says Serto there. I don't know, research that. I've never found one like that. Let's see here, there's a lot of bottles and broken bottles. Hollister Coke, there's a potential over there. A lot of these are, there's a Coke, I think. Remnants of a Coke bottle. Ketchup bottle. Sauce bottle or ink or something. One in particular I had my eye on before. Which it could be like an ink bottle. There's nothing written on it, unfortunately. Something. A cream bottle or something. That's the one I was looking at. Nope. And just a med bottle, screw top, pharmacy bottle. Nothing special with that one. Keep looking. See what we find. I'm still pushing forward, finding lots of broken stuff, obviously, because rocks and stuff's just not worth keeping. Saw a big top of a milk bottle before, which would have been cool. Broken. I just saw something here. I can't see it now. There it is. Quartz up. These are pretty common things. Probably an old perfume or something, cologne. And this jar is actually a pretty good find. Look at the embossing on that. Jumbo peanut butter. An elephant on there. Actually pretty cool. Nice, I like that one. More to look at here. And a bunch of things falling out of the dirt over here. Found that a little while ago. Broken wing on that. There's a sign over here too, which we'll have to investigate. And I just flipped the sign over. Can't figure out what it says. I'm about to turn around soon. Come back here. It's been raining, and this is higher. It's a place I haven't been able to go. Definitely come back another time. I think there's rain coming. There's a lot of stuff right in here. Cool looking little bottle. Oh, cow, it's a huge ball jar. Massive. Oh, the underline. Don't remember how old that one is. probably keep that ball jar. It's really big. Ketchup bottles. Find anything else, I'll come back on. Now we're going to start heading back. So I found this massive ball jar, and also this one. They had no underline under it. That, I feel like those are 30s. I don't remember. I don't remember the dating on these. But I'll take them back and see if they're worth anything. I'm not sure if this is a kind of milk bottle or not. There's no writing on it. Not sure what that was. You should have run in, I kind of splashed some water on it before. And man, that nicely embossed milk and magnesium bottle. Oh well. Alright, so it's starting to rain. We're supposed to get thunderstorms today, so trying to make it back. Did just find another bottle, an old beer bottle. It said Brewing, I think it said Pittsburgh, but we'll check that. So I will go home and clean up the bottles and show what I have found. Alright, see you in a second. What's going on out there, huh, bud? Is it raining? Oh no, it's raining, huh? Oh, look at all that rain. Poor buddy. Poor buddy. Okay, so here are the bottles we have found today, and they are covered in some creek algae, other kind of slimy stuff, which is going to take some cleaning. I kind of just rinse them off a little bit, but they're still in pretty bad shape. Again, this got a crack there, broken wing. Cool though. Neat little bottle. So this is the Independent Brewing Company of Pittsburgh, and pretty sure this is a pre-prohibition bottle, so maybe from the teens. It looks like it's an applied top. And pretty thick bottle with a chip on the base there, but it's still intact. And this, where it's upside down, for half a bottle, pour to here. And Certo, don't know. The jumbo peanut butter can, and this Mason, I believe these were used without the line underneath, 1923 to 33. And then this one with the A without the line here, and the line was 33 to 62, I believe, so somewhere in there. That was a blank, and I have 3 of these, which say Little Boy Blue on them, which was a cleaning product. I'm not sure the age. Those 3, that was a blank one. It didn't show this one. Finally says I was leaving a Listerine bottle. Really strong embossing. Sometimes this one's in pretty good shape. A lot of gook on there. I can't tell how the machined or not. And that was a slick. There you go. Alrighty, there it is. Thanks for watching my boring video, and leave me a comment. See you next time.